students enroll per first semester, 58 taking math class, 60 taking English class, 53 taking science class, 10 sign up for both math and English, 8 sign up for both English and science, 12 sign up for both math and science, 5 students enroll in all three subjects, 41 students for math class, 38 students taking science class, 47 students taking for English class, and between English and science is 3, between English and math is 5, between math and science is 7. Thus, at the center is not 5 of students enroll in all three subjects. So why we have 41 in math? Here's the solution. 58 students taking math class minus 10 students sign up for both math and English minus 12 sign up for both math and science plus 5 per students enrolled in all three subjects equals 41. So that's why we have 41 in math class. So why we have 47 in English class? Here's the solution. 60 students taking English class minus 10 students sign up for both math and English minus 8 students sign up for both English and science plus 5 students enrolled in all three subjects equals 47. So that's why we have 47 in English class. So why we have 38 in science class? Here's the solution. 53 students enrolled taking science class minus 8 students sign up for both English and science minus 12 students sign up for both math and science plus 5 students enroll in all three subjects equals 38. So that's why we have 38 in science class. So why we have 7 between math and science? Here's the solution. Math and science. 12 students sign up for both math and science minus 5 students enroll in all three subjects equals 7. So that's why we have 7 between science and math. So why we have 5 in between math and English? So here's the solution. 8 students sign up for both English and science minus 5 students enroll in all three subjects equals 3. So that's why we have 3 between English and science. So why we have 5 between English and math? Here's the solution. 10 students sign up for both math and English minus 5 students enroll in all three subjects equals 5. So that's why we have 5 between math and English. Question number 1. How many students were enrolled in math only? Here's the solution. 41 students enrolled taking math class plus 7 students enrolled for math and science plus 5 students enrolled in math and English and plus 5 for those students enrolled in all three subjects. That's why we have 58 enrolled in math only. Question number 2. How many students were enrolled in English only? Here's the solution. 47 students taking English only plus 5, math and English plus 3, English and science plus 5, enrolled in all three subjects equals 60 students enrolled in English only. Question number 3. How many students were enrolled in science only? Here's the solution. 38 students enrolled in science only plus 7 students math and science plus 3 students enrolled in science and English plus 5 students enrolled in all three subjects equals 53 students enrolled in science only. Question number 4. How many students will not be taking up any of the three subjects? 140 students enroll in first semester minus 126 students enroll in all three subjects equals 14 students. 14 students will not taking any subject.